Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. One new thing, one old thing. Kingswood, St Peter's Hospice, that will have been 99p. A do-it-yourself dinosaur, glow in the dark. That looks very much like it could be an IKEA object. Don't know, I don't see IKEA written on it there. Tiger Stores, produced for Tiger, Copenhagen, Denmark. Don't know, I was just going by the way it's worded there. That just looks very much like IKEA. Anyway, two reasons for buying it. One, I like clip together kits, and the other is it might be possible to scan that in and 3D print it so I can do another one, probably a smaller one. And this doesn't look like it would take many minutes to put together anyway. It's all carefully numbered. Usually you get a diagram of these and it says look at the picture, look at the numbers and put the numbers together. But I can see on here they've actually numbered each slot to make it even easier. So there shouldn't be much chance of getting that one wrong. But as I say, my main thought was I wonder if I could scan it in and 3D print it. So that'll be a little project. I'll just stuck that to the back there. Alright, you won't waste time trying to do that. The other thing is this. Now I picked this up in a charity shop quite some time ago, and I don't know if I actually did the video to go with it, because it was on one of my shelves. The label from the charity shop was stuck right across it, and I had to soak it to get it off, which is a bit of a shame. That little dice or die in there, dice, is a 8-sided dice, which is nothing to do with the puzzle. Little disclaimer here, if you haven't ever seen one of these pyramid puzzles before, I'm going to put it together and that will spoil it for you if you want to do it yourself. If I can remember. How do we do this? Oh yeah, that's it, isn't it? Yeah, that's simple. Yeah, it's only 4 pieces. It's a limited number of ways you could put 4 pieces together and make a pyramid. But that's it. So there you go, puzzle solved. And then yeah, I picked that. I think I mainly picked it up because I saw the dice in there, and I thought an 8-sided dice would be an interesting novelty. So yeah, that's just a little bit of a bonus. There wasn't very much in the charity shops, just the one dinosaur thing. But I noticed that on my shelf and I thought we'll do that at the same time, just in case I didn't do the original video. That's it, job done. Thanks for watching. So I scanned it in, played with the images a bit and 3D printed it. A bit smaller, well in fact very small compared to the actual original. So can we actually put it together? Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.